Hi everyone, this is Akhil once again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topics of define document types in SAP and define the field status variant and assign the field status variant and creation of chart of accounts in SAP. First we will discuss this in a broad manner, then we will look into the system how do we configure this in the system. So first when we came into the define document types in SAP means document types. What is meant by document type? Document type means it is in general. What can we say? Suppose in general there is any different types of documents like DD demand draft is in as one document, check is in a one document, like that. In SAP what we have document types are nothing but the keys means the keys that is used to differentiate the accounting document between the business transactions to be posted in to be posted means it determines the which document to be posted in which document type. Like example, business transactions are we have GL transactions, vendor transactions, customer transaction, asset and metal transaction, as well as CO transactions. For each and every transactions we will define a peculiar document type for each transaction. Then when we post the GL account GLs, then that document type will hit and that document will be posted, like that. Then when we what we have a different type of business transaction. Similarly we have a different type of document types, peculiar document types for each and every business transaction. Then when we come to the field status variant, see, SAP, basically SAP is a software. There is in the software there is a fields. That fields can be controlled by using a field status variant. Then we will assign that field status variant to company code. Next what we will do, we will create a chart of account. Chart of accounts are nothing but the list of general ledger accounts. General ledger accounts in the sense all the accounts are grouped together in at one place is called as a chart of account. Okay, so now let us see this in the system. How do we configure this in the system? I'm in my SAP Easy Access screen. Now I'm going for to create a document types. I'll click on new entries. I will create only one document type. I'm not going to create every document type over here. I will create only one document type, SA document type. And my okay, yeah, already the SA document type is exist. It seems in the system. So what I'll do, I'll go to my position and locate my SA document type. Yeah, here my SA document type is been located. So what this general ledger account document, for this document, how do I identify this document? By using a number ranges. Suppose if you post the document in SAP, you will get in a one particular 10 digit number. There is a different type, different numbers for each and every document. So to identify these numbers, I will go to this number range information. I'll insert my company code AKSL and I will cre create my number ranges. So I will go to here. I'll create my number ranges. I'll click on insert, check. One second, guys. Yeah. Now I'll give the number range as 01. My fiscal year is 2021. My document number should start from 100 199. When I post GL transactions, my document will be posted between these two number ranges only. Okay, I'm saving this. I'm saving this. Just a sec. Yeah. My number ranges has been saved. So next, what we need to do? We need to create a field status variant where we will create in OBC4 transaction code. My field status variant. I will locate my field status variant. See, this is my field status variant. As we discussed in the previous video, field status variants. I'll now in the previous video I have just explained what about the field status variant. Now I am going to show you how to create them in the SAP. Click on this. My field status variant is AKSL. I will create my field status variant and company code as same. AK field status. AK field status. Then I will press enter. Then I will go to field status group. I'll select this and I'll go to field status group. See, here what will happen, you need to copy. There is no any field status groups which are been defined in the in my company code, right? What I will do, SAP has predefined the field status variants in the system itself inbuilt. So I will copy those field status variant to my company code. I will click on copy as. No entries found. Group AKSL text AK field. I'll save this. So click on this transport request. See, now my field status group is been created. Next, what I will do, I will assign this field status variant to my company code. So for that, which transaction code I need to go? I need to go /n OBC5, right? Here I will locate my field status variant SL. Yeah, and my field status variant is AKSL. I will save this. Now what I will do, I will create a chart of accounts. For that, where I need to go? I need to go for OB13 transaction code. Here what I will do, I will click on new entries. My chart of accounts same as my company code AKSL. For the understanding purpose, I am creating this as same, but in general or in real time, it will be not like this. There is a different um, uh, variants or groups for the different, like I have created the features variant. I have created AKSL, which is same as my company code, but in real time, it is not like that. Just be know. Please note that point. What I'm doing, AK chart of accounts. And my posting language is English. My posting language is English. Manual creation of cost element, I'll do automatic creation as a cost element. This we will discuss. What does it means actually? Okay. See, I have saved this in my system. Next, okay guys, please note it down and please refer this video for the configuration understanding of what is document types, what is field status variant and assign field status variant to company code, and creation of chart of accounts. In my next video we will discuss how do we create, how do we assign group of GL accounts in a chart of accounts, or how do we list group of GL accounts in a chart of account. Okay guys, thank you. This is Akhil signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.